Hello everyone. Happy January 11th. Today we celebrate milk, step in puddles, and the joy of playful traditions. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's National Milk Day. A creamy salute to a timeless drink. A great gift could be a milk frother, a gourmet hot chocolate kit, or a vintage milk bottle set. How do you enjoy milk? Let's pour into the comments. It's Step in a Puddle and Splash Your Friend's Day. A whimsical excuse for laughter and fun. A thoughtful gift could be waterproof boots, a playful raincoat, or a puddle splashing photo frame. Who would you splash today? Let's splash the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's International Thank You Day. A heartfelt reminder to express gratitude. A sweet gift could be a thank you card set, a gratitude journal, or a bouquet of flowers. Who deserves your thanks today? Let's appreciate them in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for February 11th to 15th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.